Hello, New Life family. So excited to see you guys. So excited to share some amazing things with you today. As many of you know, we have been talking a lot about our maintenance packs and some of the changes we have happening, as well as the debut of what we have in terms of maintenance and enrollment packs. And I'm so excited to take just a few minutes, walk through that with you today and let you know why I think they're so important and frankly, why I think they'll be so important to you. But to do that, first thing I'm going to do is share my screen with you because I know how important this is going to be. I want to make sure you get to see this amazing graphic that we have relative to these packs. So if you look at this, I hope you're seeing my screen. You'll see some things about our packs. Let me scroll up to the top here. So now we haven't just recently announced our new 6-month SomaDerm Maintenance Pack. Okay. Now, when you look at this particular pack, I'm going to scroll down a little bit for you. You'll see you get 6 bottles. Plus 1, that's your free bonus bottle. And as you keep scrolling, you're to see the price is $840. The QV is $840. The CV is $750, right? So, and this QV and CV will be allocated over a 6-month period. So at 140 QV and 125. Let me show you how that works. So when you scroll down a little more, you're going to see in your first month, in other words, month 1, you initially get your 140 QV, your 125 CV. Month 2, 140 QV, 125 CV, and so forth and so on. So as this grows out, you can see how it's allocated over 6 months. So you're getting all 6 months of that auto ship volume allocated. And then in addition to that, when you scroll down, you'll see you get that free bottle, right? So this 6-month SomaDerm maintenance pack, you get all the products up front, okay, which is awesome. You get a special bonus, which means we're throwing in that free bottle. And then finally get to help maintain your health and your well-being. And you get the benefit of knowing that your auto ship, all those things are basically taken care of. You're protecting your commission. You're basically making yourself active. It becomes this amazing pack. And what's great about this is that it creates the right behavior, right? So now you've got people that are ordering these maintenance packs. They're seeing them play themselves out over time and distance, and they're watching as it's keeping them active and keeping them motivated, right? So that's the maintenance pack portion of what I want to share with you. Now, let me share one more thing with you. And this is probably, I'll be honest with you, where I'm the most excited, okay? We now have 2 new maintenance enrollment packs, okay? You can look here, we got a 4+6, and then we have an 8+6, okay? But I'm going to focus on the 4.6 first, okay? When you look at this particular pack and you order this particular pack, you order 4 bottles, right? They're going to give you a bonus 100 QV, right? Now, this helps you qualify for rank. It becomes something that's important to the sponsor because now they've got this QV that's a part of this whole process. And then in addition to that, you get the 6-month maintenance pack. And the person that orders pack, you get the free bottle, right? So now you've got this amazing benefit that's benefiting both sponsor and enrollee, which I absolutely love, okay? If you look at the price down here, it's $14.39, it's $12.40 QV, and $10.50 CV, right? And that gives you a $60 first order bonus. So when you start looking at the benefit and the way this plays itself out, all of a sudden, you've got this amazing opportunity to do all the stuff we just talked about, protect your auto ship, make sure someone's qualified for a 6-month period, introduce a free bottle. You've got the four bottles they get up front and a free bottle they can use to share, okay? So now this becomes something that not only helps in terms of auto ship, but it becomes an enrollment pack as well. Now, before I share anything else, I want to tell you, this has been an amazing opportunity and a request that we've heard time and time and time again. So focus on this. Make sure you understand what this is. Let me show you how this rolls out. When you enroll, in other words, that first enrollment, you immediately get 400 QV and you get 300 CV, right? And then as you go active month 1, you can see how it plays itself out again. There's that 140 QV, that 125 CV. When you go to month 2, same thing, month 3, same, and you can see how over a 6-month period, this is actually allocated so you have that particular benefit of the maintenance pack. So I love this particular pack, and frankly, it fits so much of what we do as a company and what you guys do in enrolling in the field, okay? But you can also get an 8+6 enrollment pack. This is what I want to show you right here, right? This has a bonus 400 going back to that benefit for the sponsor, and it still has the free bottle attached to the 6+1 maintenance pack. But you look at this and it'll show you how it's it's basically portioned out as well. When you enroll, that's 1,000 QV upon activation, and then you get that 600 CV upon activation. And then again, over a 6-month period, you can see it's allocated in 140 QV, 125 CV, and it just goes on and on and on, right? This becomes one of those things you can really train around and focus on, right? What I loved about this particular part right here was it talks a little bit about the rules, right? These SomaDerm maintenance packs will be available in our markets except Japan, Australia, and Korea. All products, including the bonus SomaDerm, will be shipped as a single shipment. The 6-month SomaDerm maintenance pack will allow the account to remain active for 6 months. Again, distributing that volume in those monthly allocations that we talked about. You've got the 4.6 enrollment pack volume portion, tells you how we've laid that out. And finally, the 8+6. So what I wanted you to understand most about this particular opportunity, and I'll say it just like that, is that you're going to get a chance to really drive the right behavior, okay? And you're getting a chance to really help someone understand how they're in business, why they're in business, and why this is so important, okay? Because when someone signs up, you're always talking to them about, okay, try our product and do this. And then once you do that, you're going to need to have your auto ship, right? You're going to need to be able to make sure that you have this happening each month, protects your commission, helps you build stability, right? And I want to focus on that stability idea for just a minute. One of the reasons that these packs became so valuable and so important is that when we look at the global family, we started thinking about how someone stays active and what they do to make sure that that happens, right? This answers all of those questions, particularly on the enrollment side, because you can show them how they can enroll, get that benefit, and then have this maintenance pack attached to that enrollment and create this long-term stability and this opportunity to really catch up and to do all the things we need to do. So, guys, on both ends, you're getting benefit on the front, you're getting benefit on the back, and now you've got this pack, this opportunity to teach someone how to be wildly, wildly successful at our business, to grow that business over time and distance, and to create stability long term. I cannot tell you how important that is, right? What the benefit of that will be in terms of how you build your business and how it continues to grow. This, in my opinion, should or could become the stable of what we do, right? If you have someone that's interested in building a business and you know they want to build a business, you know they're excited about it, you know they want to create that for themselves, this is the perfect pack for them. And it's a perfect opportunity, and it's a way for them to get rolling. So having said all of that, these will be available in your carts. I think they're available on both carts, beta, and so forth on our shopping cart side. Same thing when you're talking about enrollment. Launch March 4th. So don't forget that. Use this as an opportunity to grow your business. I can't wait to see how this plays itself out for you. Again, I had so many people request this particular option. Here it is. So proud of the company for doing the legwork to make this happen, and so proud of you guys for driving the right behavior and making this a part of what you do. So thank you for all you do. Can't wait to see how this plays itself out. Call us if you have any questions, and we'll make sure that we answer those for you. Again, take advantage of this amazing opportunity. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.